Want to turn your backyard into a space that feels effortlessly modern and high-end? These minimalist luxury furniture and design ideas focus on premium materials that create a calm, elevated outdoor vibe. Everything is designed to feel both stylish and relaxing. Check the links in the description to explore them all. Your backyard just became everyone's favorite hangout spot. This modular outdoor sofa set seats up to 6 and lets you arrange it your way, from a classic setup to a relaxed lounge corner. The teak wood adds natural beauty, while the aluminum frame stands strong against the weather. Cushions are water and UV resistant with removable covers for easy cleaning. It even includes a protective cover to keep everything looking fresh year-round. Cool evenings deserve a warm centerpiece. This linear gas fire pit table brings sleek style and steady flames to your patio in one smart design. The long stainless steel burner creates a beautiful ribbon of fire, while the glass top keeps it looking modern and polished. You can choose manual or electronic ignition for easy startup. When the flames are off, just place the cover on top and use it as a table. What if your backyard could feel like a private glass escape? This clear dome tent surrounds you with a full panoramic view, so you can enjoy nature without dealing with wind or bugs. It's roomy enough for a small group, giving you space to relax, dine, or even set up a cozy hangout. The thick, transparent material helps trap warmth, so you stay comfortable even when it's chilly. Built to handle rain, wind, and even snow, it lets you enjoy the outdoors in any season. Looking for a game that turns any yard into an instant party? This inflatable giant kick dart set combines soccer and darts into one huge, laugh-filled activity. The oversized dartboard inflates quickly and comes with durable kickballs designed to stick firmly to the surface. Built from thick, long-lasting material, it's fun for all ages, offering endless variations of competitive play for gatherings, parties, or team events. Take floating to a whole new level with this motorized pool lounger. It glides effortlessly across the water thanks to dual motors and a 360-degree rotation system, so you can move in any direction without paddling. The ergonomic design hugs your body while 2 storage compartments hold drinks, sunscreen, or your phone. A rechargeable battery keeps you cruising for up to an hour, and safety grills protect the propellers. Perfect for relaxing solo or showing off at summer pool parties. Imagine turning your backyard into a private retreat. This outdoor spa bath setup looks like a sleek mini home, complete with doors for privacy and style. Inside, you'll find a hot tub to soak in, shelves for all your essentials, and even a TV for entertainment. It's cozy, modern, and designed for total relaxation. A perfect blend of luxury and comfort, right outside your door. Turn your summer fun up a notch with this giant tropical raft. It comfortably fits up to 6 adults, each with a supportive backrest for ultimate relaxation. A detachable sunshade keeps you cool, while the mesh floor lets your feet dip in the water. Built from durable PVC, it's perfect for lakes, rivers, or the ocean, and folds compactly for easy storage. Extras like 6 cup holders, a floating cooler bag, and grab lines make it ideal for drinks, safety, and tying to a dock or boat. Turn your backyard into the ultimate hangout with this versatile fire pit table. It's a bonfire, barbecue, and table all in one, perfect for roasting marshmallows, grilling food, or enjoying a meal with 6 to 8 friends. 2 height-adjustable, 360 swivel grills make cooking easy, while the geometric cutout design creates fun firelight shadows. Built to last, it holds up to 20 pounds of wood, stays stable on uneven ground, and includes a screen mesh and fire poker for safety. Quick to assemble in about 20 minutes, it's ready to bring warmth and fun to any garden, patio, or yard. Backyard movie nights just got a serious upgrade. This hardshell TV cover protects your screen from rain, dust, and even harsh sunlight, so you can enjoy shows outdoors without worry. The sturdy case mounts directly to your wall and includes a heavy-duty bracket for secure placement. Its front cover pops off completely, giving you a clear view and sound when it's showtime. Relax like royalty with this inflatable sofa pool float. Its roomy design lets you lounge in the water comfortably, perfect for parties, family fun, or sunny day chilling. Inflates in minutes and deflates for easy storage, making it ideal for any pool or lake. Durable and soft, it keeps you floating in comfort while soaking up the sun. Bring instant summer vibes wherever you set it up. Why sit on the ground when you can relax in comfort anywhere? This ultralight camping chair weighs just over 2 pounds, yet sets up in seconds with a snap-together frame. The breathable fabric keeps you cool, while reinforced stitching gives it lasting strength. Special anti-sink feet stop it from sliding into sand or soft ground. It packs down small enough for your backpack, making it the perfect travel companion. Now this is relaxation redefined. This curved chaise lounge chair literally lets you float in comfort, thanks to its suspended steel frame design. The plush foam cushion and built-in pillow cradle you perfectly, while the removable canopy shields you from the sun. Its weather-resistant build makes it perfect for the patio, garden, or poolside. Once you settle in, you may never want to get up again. Get ready to steal the spotlight. This all-in-one karaoke machine brings concert vibes straight to your living room with a built-in lyric screen and 2 wireless microphones. You can sing along to YouTube or any song you love, just tap once to remove vocals. Auto-tune and echo effects polish your sound, while the 80-watt speaker fills the room with music. Portable, powerful, and perfect for any party. Upgrade your outdoor space with this patio set. Crafted from acacia wood, it blends natural beauty with durable design. 2 lounge chairs, a sofa, a coffee table, and a side table give you plenty of room to relax or entertain. Cushions are UV and water resistant, keeping comfort high and maintenance low. Slatted tabletops and non-marking feet make it perfect for patios, poolside decks, or balconies. You'll enjoy it season after season. Turn your backyard into a private spa anytime you want. This portable hot tub inflates in minutes and keeps the water perfectly warm and soothing. Hundreds of air jets create a gentle bubble massage that melts away stress after a long day. The insulated cover locks in heat and saves energy between uses. Durable, easy to move, and pure relaxation on demand. Grill cleanup just got way easier. This cordless grill cleaner spins a stainless steel roller at high speed, blasting away burnt-on mess with 0 effort from you. No dangerous bristles, no scrubbing, just pure power. The built-in LED light lets you see every spot, even during nighttime barbecues. Charge it once, and you're ready to roll through grime like a pro. No more tossing your bag in the sand or balancing drinks on shaky tables. This clever umbrella hook keeps everything off the ground and within reach. Just snap it onto your umbrella pole and hang towels, hats, bags, or even speakers. The stainless steel design is tough enough for beach days and breezy patios. Simple, sturdy, and smart. It's the extra hand you didn't know you needed. Turn your backyard into the perfect hangout spot with this pop-up canopy. It sets up in seconds, no tools, no hassle, and the sturdy steel frame locks securely in place. The mesh walls keep bugs out while letting in a refreshing breeze. Its weather-resistant fabric blocks harmful UV rays, so you can relax in cool shade all day. When you're done, it folds neatly into a wheeled bag for easy storage and travel. Hosting a party? Keep your drinks and snacks chilled in style with this inflatable serving bar. Just fill it with ice, load it up with food and beverages, and let the good times roll. It even floats, so it's perfect for pool parties or backyard BBQs. When the fun's over, the built-in drain plug makes cleanup a breeze. Cool, portable, and ready for any celebration. Kick back in classic style without worrying about the weather. This folding Adirondack chair combines a timeless wood-look design with durable, all-weather material that resists sun, snow, and wind. The oversized seat and cloud-shaped backrest make lounging comfortable, while wide armrests give you a place to rest drinks or books. When you're done, it folds flat for easy storage or moving around. Perfect for patios, gardens, or poolside, it's both practical and stylish. Your chilly evenings just got an upgrade. This outdoor patio heater fills your space with instant, even warmth at the touch of a button. Easily adjust the temperature to keep guests comfortable through dinner or late-night talks. Built-in safety shutoff and a stable weighted base keep it steady even in windy weather. Sleek, durable, and dependable, it keeps your nights warm long after the sun goes down. Elevate your outdoor or indoor lounge with the Moon Daybed from Vondom. Its unique circular design sits on a rotating base, letting you spin gently for the perfect view or sunlight angle. LED backlighting adds a soft ambient glow, while breathable woven materials keep it comfortable and stylish. The innovative Sun Vision fabric option gives a soft textile feel that's durable for outdoor use. Perfect for relaxing, chilling out, or making a statement, it turns any space into a luxurious retreat. Why choose between a pool and a shaded lounge when you can have both? This inflatable gazebo pool gives you a refreshing place to cool off while keeping you protected from the sun. The built-in canopy creates a comfortable space so you can relax, splash, or hang out without overheating. It sets up quickly and doesn't require any permanent changes to your yard. Perfect for summer days, it turns your backyard into a fun, resort-style escape. Ever wished your backyard could be usable year-round? This clear garden dome turns any small space into a cozy, all-weather hideaway. It's made from durable, UV-protected panels that handle wind, rain, and even heavy snow while giving you a crystal-clear view of the outdoors. Use it as a lounge, dining nook, or yoga retreat. You can even run power inside for lights or heat. Your personal bubble of calm, right in your garden. Sit back and glide into comfort with this 4-seat outdoor bench. The aluminum frame and weatherproof materials make it sturdy and long-lasting. Smooth gliding motion means quiet, relaxing swings for everyone. A rainproof canopy and comfy sling seats keep you cool and protected while you lounge. Perfect for gardens, patios, or decks. It's ideal for family gatherings or peaceful afternoons outside. Bring the sound of a luxury resort right into your space. This granite-look water wall creates a soothing, natural flow that instantly calms the atmosphere around you. Soft lights glow from the sides and base, turning it into a stunning focal point at night. Separate switches let you control the water and lighting exactly how you like. It's bold, elegant, and made to transform both indoor and outdoor areas. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.